Good morning, everyone. We live in a world where success is celebrated, perfection is idolized, and failure is often feared. But let me remind you of something simple, powerful, and true. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Think about that for a moment. Behind every mistake is an effort, a bold step, a choice to move rather than stand still. Mistakes mean you dared to act, you were brave enough to try, and you cared enough to make a difference. And that, more than perfection, is what truly counts. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots in his career. J.K. Rowling's first Harry Potter manuscript was rejected 12 times. If these icons had given up after their mistakes, the world would have missed their genius. But they didn't. They kept trying. Too often we judge ourselves harshly when we stumble. But what if we reframe mistakes not as signs of failure, but as signs of growth? Every error holds a lesson. Every misstep teaches us something we didn't know before. And every lesson moves us closer to our goals. No one becomes great by avoiding mistakes. They become great by learning from them. So the next time you fall short, remember, it's not the end. It's part of the process. Own your mistakes. Learn from them. And most importantly, keep trying. Because progress isn't a straight line. It's messy. It's bumpy. It's full of trial and error. But in that mess lies your effort, your courage, and your future success. Let your mistakes be a mark of movement, not a measure of failure. When we look at mistakes, it's easy to fall into the trap of viewing them as signs of weakness, incompetence, or failure. Society often pressures us to be perfect, to avoid failure at all costs, and to present an image of flawless competence. But the reality is far different. Mistakes, in fact, are one of the most genuine indicators that you are putting in effort. Think about it. When you try something new, when you step outside of your comfort zone, you don't always get it right. And that's not because you're incapable or lacking in some way. It's because you're doing something that requires you to stretch yourself, to grow, and to push beyond what you know. Growth doesn't happen in the safety of the familiar. It happens in the risk of the unknown, in that place where you're unsure, where mistakes become a byproduct of your ambition to move forward. Every time you make a mistake, it means you've taken a step. It means you've tried. And isn't that what truly matters? If you aren't making mistakes, it might mean you're playing it safe. It might mean you're sticking to what you know, never reaching beyond your comfort zone. But those who are truly making a difference in the world, whether in their careers, their relationships, or their personal growth, are those who aren't afraid to fail. Consider this. If you never made mistakes, it would mean you weren't trying hard enough. It would mean you weren't experimenting, exploring, or taking chances. After all, no great achievement ever came from playing it safe. No scientist discovered something groundbreaking by never running an experiment that failed. No entrepreneur built a successful business without facing challenges, setbacks, and yes, mistakes along the way. In a way, mistakes are like a stamp of effort. They are the marks left behind by the energy, time, and resources you've invested in something that matters to you. They represent a commitment to keep going, even when things don't go as planned. And that is something to be proud of, because it shows that you're not just talking about making progress. You're actively working toward it, even if it means stumbling along the way. And while the fear of making mistakes can often keep us from trying new things, it's important to recognize that this fear is often misplaced. Mistakes aren't failures, they're simply learning opportunities. And more often than not, the lesson learned from a mistake can be more valuable than the success itself. When you make a mistake, don't see it as a setback. See it as proof that you've made an effort. You've done something. You've tried something new. You've challenged yourself. And in doing so, you've moved closer to who you want to become. Even if the path there is a bit messy, it's easy to look at others and assume they have everything figured out. We scroll through social media, read about the successes of others, and wonder why we can't seem to get it right. The truth is, no one, absolutely no one, is exempt from making mistakes. It doesn't matter how accomplished someone is, how polished their reputation appears, or how much experience they have. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the human experience. Take the example of famous figures throughout history. Think about the likes of Thomas Edison, who is often hailed as one of the greatest inventors of all time. Edison famously failed more than 1,000 times while trying to invent the light bulb. Can you imagine? Thousands of attempts, each one a failure. And yet, his failure wasn't an indication of his lack of talent. It was proof of his perseverance. Every failed attempt taught him something new. It's been said that Edison didn't view his failures as failures at all. Rather, he saw them as discoveries of ways that didn't work. His mistakes were an integral part of his success. The same can be said about many other trailblazers. Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. He missed thousands of game-winning shots throughout his career. Did these mistakes define his career? Absolutely not. They were merely stepping stones on the path to greatness. Michael Jordan, who is known for his unmatched success on the court, once said, "I failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." His acknowledgement of failure as part of the journey is a powerful reminder that mistakes don't make you less of a person. They make you human. Even in the creative world, mistakes are commonplace. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was rejected by 12 different publishers before she found someone willing to take a chance on her story. Think about that. 12 rejections. If she had allowed those mistakes, those failures, to stop her, the world would have never experienced the magic of Hogwarts. Her perseverance, despite the mistakes, is a testament to the importance of pushing through and believing in your work, even when others might not. This idea of universal mistakes applies to all of us. When we see someone succeeding, it's easy to believe that they've somehow skipped over the messy part, the part where they failed, struggled and made mistakes. But the truth is they haven't. Everyone makes mistakes. Every single person. Whether you're a student, a professional, an athlete, or a creative, mistakes are not a sign of weakness. They're proof that you're in the game. The problem is, society often glorifies the end result. The success, the triumph, while ignoring the journey, the trials, the moments of failure that preceded it. We look at successful people as though they had some kind of magic formula that enabled them to avoid mistakes. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Their success is built upon a foundation of mistakes they've made, lessons they've learned, and resilience they've developed along the way. Mistakes are the great equalizer. They humble us and remind us that no one is perfect. They are the process of growth, the uncomfortable, sometimes messy, but ultimately transformative experience of learning and evolving. Everyone, from the most famous public figures to the person you pass by on the street, has made mistakes, and they continue to do so. The difference lies in how we handle them. If you're making mistakes, you're not alone. You're part of a global community of people who are all striving to be better, do better, and make a difference. And if you think about it, those mistakes bring us closer together. They show us that we're all in this together, trying, failing, learning, and improving. The next time you make a mistake, remind yourself that you're in the same company as some of the most successful people in the world. You're in the process, and that's something worth celebrating. At first glance, mistakes may seem like something to be avoided, something negative or undesirable. We're conditioned to think of them as setbacks, as moments of failure that we need to erase or forget as quickly as possible. But when we shift our perspective, we can begin to understand that mistakes are not just inevitable. They are powerful tools for growth and learning. Each mistake, big or small, is a lesson in disguise. It's an opportunity to look deeper into what went wrong, why it went wrong, and how we can adjust our approach the next time. Mistakes provide insight into our weaknesses, our gaps in knowledge, or areas where we might need more practice or understanding. In this way, they function much like a feedback mechanism that helps us fine-tune our skills and enhance our ability to perform. Think of mistakes as personalized teachers, ones that are uniquely suited to highlight what needs improvement and encourage you to do better. Let's take the example of learning a new skill. When you first start, you will inevitably make mistakes. Whether it's learning to play an instrument, mastering a new language, or starting a new job, there will be missteps along the way. And here's the truth. The mistakes you make in those early stages are essential for your development. Every wrong note you play on an instrument, every incorrect word you utter in a new language, or every mistake you make at work, these are all opportunities for you to learn something you wouldn't have known otherwise. They force you to assess your method, reconsider your approach, and adapt your thinking. Consider the process of learning to ride a bike. When you first get on, you may fall. You may wobble, lose your balance, and even crash a few times. But each of those falls teaches you something important: how to balance better, how to steer with more control, and how to anticipate the movements of the bike. Without those falls, you would never have learned to ride confidently. In the same way, when we may make mistakes in our lives, we are essentially falling. But it's through those falls that we gain the necessary skills and wisdom to keep moving forward. Mistakes highlight areas where we need more knowledge or practice, and they give us the opportunity to adjust and refine our abilities. Furthermore, mistakes push us to think critically and problem solve. After making an error, we often ask ourselves questions like, what went wrong? Or what could I have done differently? These moments of reflection deepen our understanding of the situation. It forces us to analyze our actions, our decisions, and our strategies. It's a kind of self-examination that leads to self-improvement. If we didn't make mistakes, we might glide through life unaware of areas where we could be doing better or more efficiently. Mistakes are also an essential part of the innovation process. Consider the scientific method. Science is built upon making a hypothesis, testing it, and then learning from the results, whether they confirm or disprove the hypothesis. In fact, many scientific discoveries have come from mistakes. Penicillin, for example, was discovered by accident when Alexander Fleming left a petri dish of bacteria uncovered and noticed that mold was killing the bacteria. Without that mistake, the world might not have experienced the medical breakthrough that is penicillin. In this sense, mistakes can often lead to unexpected discoveries and breakthroughs, pushing the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. The key, however, lies in how we respond to our mistakes. If we simply see mistakes as failures to be avoided, we miss the opportunity to grow. But if we embrace them as learning tools, we open ourselves up to a wealth of knowledge and insight. We become better equipped to face challenges, solve problems, and approach future tasks with greater competence and confidence. Mistakes also teach us about resilience. They show us that we are not defined by our failures, but by how we rise after them. Each mistake is an opportunity to build resilience, to learn how to persevere despite setbacks. It's not about avoiding mistakes at all costs. It's about bouncing back, refining our approach, and continuing to strive toward improvement. And over time, those mistakes will become less daunting, as we grow stronger and more capable of handling them with grace and confidence. In essence, mistakes are invaluable teachers. They are experiences that, though uncomfortable at times, are essential to our development. They give us the knowledge, the insights, and the resilience to move forward, ensuring that we are always evolving into the best versions of ourselves. So instead of running from mistakes, we should embrace them, for they are the best kind of feedback we could ever receive. In a world that constantly celebrates perfection, it's easy to get caught up in the idea that we must do everything flawlessly. We see it everywhere. Polished social media posts, flawless presentations, idealized lifestyles. We are bombarded with images of perfection, and the message often becomes clear. To be successful, you must be perfect. But the reality is far more liberating than that. The true goal is not perfection, it's progress. Perfection is an illusion. No one, no matter how skilled or accomplished, achieves it consistently. It's an ever-moving target. Think about it. What does perfect even mean? Perfection is subjective and constantly changing based on who you ask, where you are, and what your goals are. What's perfect to one person may not be perfect to another, and what seemed perfect yesterday might seem flawed today. The truth is, perfectionism can become a hindrance, not a help. It sets an impossible standard, and chasing that standard can lead to frustration, burnout, and even stagnation. Instead of striving for perfection, we should focus on progress. Progress is tangible, attainable, and measurable. It's about taking small steps forward, learning along the way, and making continuous improvements. Unlike perfection, progress is not about being flawless. It's about evolving, adapting, and becoming better than you were before. And perhaps most importantly, progress allows space for mistakes, setbacks, and failures, because these are all part of the process of improvement. When we focus on progress rather than perfection, we give ourselves permission to grow. We allow ourselves to make mistakes without the crushing fear that they define us. We can experiment, take risks, and learn from our missteps. And when we shift our focus from perfection to progress, we free ourselves from the pressure to be flawless, which often paralyzes us into inaction. Perfectionism tells us that if we can't do it perfectly, we shouldn't do it at all. But progress, on the other hand, encourages us to take the next step, even if it's not perfect, because that's how growth happens. Consider how skill development works. Whether it's learning a musical instrument, mastering a sport, or gaining expertise in any field, progress is what matters. At the beginning, you might struggle with the basics. You might make mistakes, fail to achieve the results you hoped for, or fall short of your own expectations. But each time you try, you're making progress. You're learning something new, refining your technique, and moving closer to your goal. Over time, those small incremental steps add up to significant improvement. But it doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't happen in a straight line. The process is messy and mistakes are a part of it. Let's take the example of an athlete. No athlete begins their journey with perfect performance. In fact, they might spend years working through mistakes, errors in judgment, and failures before they reach the peak of their abilities. An athlete's progress is defined by each mistake they learn from and the consistent improvement they make. It's about pushing past the limitations they once had and continually striving to be better, not by achieving perfection, but by growing and progressing with every practice, every game, every setback. Even at the highest levels, athletes are not perfect. They make mistakes, they miss shots, they stumble, but they learn, adapt, and move forward. Their goal isn't perfection. It's to be better than they were yesterday. In a similar way, progress is crucial in our personal lives. If we expect ourselves to be perfect in our relationships, our careers, or our personal development, we set ourselves up for constant disappointment. We are human, and as humans, we are imperfect by nature. But that's where the beauty of progress lies. It's a recognition that every day is an opportunity to be a little better, to make a small improvement, to take a step forward. It's about celebrating the journey of growth rather than demanding an unattainable destination of perfection. The shift from perfection to progress is also essential when it comes to overcoming fear. The fear of not being perfect often keeps people from even starting. They get stuck in analysis paralysis, afraid that their efforts won't be good enough. But when we focus on progress, we begin to realize that perfection isn't the bar we need to clear. We just need to keep moving forward, regardless of the bumps along the way. This mindset encourages resilience, determination, and a sense of achievement, even when things don't go as planned. Furthermore, focusing on progress leads to a healthier relationship with failure. If perfection is the goal, then failure feels like the ultimate defeat. But when progress is the goal, failure becomes a stepping stone. It's not the end of the road, it's part of the journey. Every time we fall short, it's an opportunity to learn, grow, and make progress. The more we embrace this idea, the less daunting failure becomes, and the more empowered we feel to continue pushing forward. In the long run, it's progress, not perfection, that leads to success. When we focus on making steady improvements, we eventually reach levels of achievement that perfectionism could never allow. That's because progress is sustainable. It's built on the idea that each step forward counts, that each day is a chance to get closer to where we want to be. It acknowledges that perfection is neither necessary nor realistic, but growth, learning, and forward movement are. Resilience is often defined as the ability to bounce back from adversity, to recover quickly from difficult situations, and to keep moving forward in the face of setbacks. But what many people don't realize is that resilience isn't something we're simply born with. It's something we build over time. And the foundation of that strength is often laid through our mistakes. Mistakes are the building blocks of resilience, the training ground for developing the toughness we need to endure life's challenges. Every time we make a mistake, we face a choice. We can either allow the mistake to defeat us, or we can rise above it. It's in this decision, this response to failure, that resilience is forged. The more mistakes we make, the more opportunities we have to learn how to handle setbacks, how to manage disappointment, and how to persist in the face of difficulty. Mistakes create friction, and it's through this friction that our inner strength is developed. Without mistakes, we wouldn't have the chance to build the mental and emotional muscles necessary for resilience. Consider the experience of someone who has faced repeated setbacks, such as an athlete who trains for years and suffers injuries, or a student who repeatedly fails exams despite their best efforts. Initially, the mistakes and failures might seem discouraging, even overwhelming. But it's through those mistakes that the athlete learns to push through pain, to refine their technique and to adapt. It's through those failures that the student develops better study habits, learns to manage stress, and grows more determined. Each mistake is a reminder that while the road to success is often bumpy, every challenge presents a chance to grow stronger. These repeated experiences of overcoming difficulty teach us how to rise after we fall, how to handle frustration, and how to keep moving forward when the going gets tough. In many ways, mistakes act as a form of emotional training. When we encounter failure, it's natural to feel disappointment, frustration, and self-doubt. But over time, if we respond to those emotions with a mindset of learning and growth, we become more adept at managing them. We learn that failure doesn't define us, but rather that it's a temporary setback on the path to something greater. Every time we fail and pick ourselves up again, we are reinforcing our belief in our ability to recover. This belief is the bedrock of resilience. It's the confidence that no matter how difficult things get, we can handle it, because we've done it before. Resilience isn't about avoiding mistakes or pretending that they don't affect us. It's about facing those mistakes head on, acknowledging the discomfort they bring, and choosing to continue moving forward. When we are resilient, we don't dwell on our mistakes or let them paralyze us. Instead, we extract lessons from them and use those lessons to fuel our next steps. Each failure is an opportunity to refine our approach, to adjust our mindset, and to become better equipped to face future challenges. Additionally, mistakes help us develop a growth mindset, which is key to building resilience. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort, learning, and perseverance. When we view mistakes as part of the learning process, rather than as a sign of inadequacy, we shift our focus from fixed outcomes to ongoing development. This mindset makes it easier to see setbacks as opportunities to grow, rather than insurmountable obstacles. A person with a growth mindset doesn't view a mistake as a failure. They view it as a stepping stone on their path to improvement. And as they continue to make mistakes and learn from them, their resilience grows stronger. Moreover, mistakes teach us patience. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back quickly. It's about being able to endure through difficult times and maintain hope in the face of adversity. When we make mistakes, we learn that success is rarely immediate. It's a slow and steady process of trial and error, of persistence and adaptation. Through this process, we develop the patience to endure the challenges that come our way. The ability to take our time to keep going even when results aren't immediately apparent is an essential part of resilience. Another way mistakes build resilience is by teaching us to manage fear. Fear of failure often holds us back from trying new things or taking risks. But once we experience mistakes and learn to handle them, our fear of making them diminishes. We come to understand that mistakes are not as terrifying as we once thought. They're just a part of the process. But With each mistake, we become more comfortable with the uncertainty that comes with growth. Over time, this reduces the power of fear in our lives and enables us to act with more confidence and less hesitation. Resilience also comes from the understanding that mistakes are temporary. In these moments of vulnerability, we learn about our strengths and weaknesses, our fears and our motivations. We get to know ourselves better, and with that knowledge comes the ability to make better decisions in the future. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth, and mistakes help us build it by forcing us to confront who we really are, what we want, and how we can improve. Furthermore, mistakes can open the door to new perspectives. When things don't go as planned, we are often forced to view the situation from a different angle. A mistake might encourage us to rethink our assumptions, question our biases, and approach the problem in a new way. This shift in perspective can spark creativity and innovation, leading to solutions we may not have considered before. Sometimes, the best ideas come not from following a straightforward path, from taking a detour that was made possible by a mistake. In this way, mistakes serve as opportunities to explore alternative solutions and develop a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges we face. Additionally, mistakes create a sense of humility. When we make an error, we are reminded that we are not infallible. This humbling experience teaches us the value of being open to learning, to receiving feedback, and to acknowledging that we don't have all the answers. Humility is a crucial component of growth because it allows us to remain open-minded and receptive to new information. A person who is humble enough to admit their mistakes is more likely to seek out the knowledge and resources they need to improve. In this way, mistakes are not just opportunities for growth. They are also opportunities for greater wisdom and maturity. Another significant way mistakes create opportunities for growth is by fostering a sense of gratitude. When we experience failure, it can be disheartening, and we might feel as though we've lost something important. However, once we've had time to reflect on the experience, we often realize that the lessons learned from our mistakes are far more valuable than the immediate outcome. We may gain a deeper appreciation for the effort, the process, and the journey itself. Mistakes teach us to value progress over perfection, effort over result, and experience over outcome. This shift in perspective allows us to approach future challenges with a greater sense of gratitude and a more positive outlook on growth. In many ways, mistakes also foster a sense of connection. When we fail, we realize we're not alone. Everyone makes mistakes, whether in their personal lives, their work, or their relationships. We are all in this together, learning, growing, and failing together. This shared experience can create a sense of empathy as we come to understand that others face similar struggles and challenges. And when we open ourselves to learning from our mistakes, we also become more compassionate toward others when they make theirs. Growth then is not only individual, it's collective. We grow together supporting one another as we navigate the inevitable mistakes that life throws our way. Ultimately, mistakes are powerful tools for growth. They offer us the chance to stretch beyond our limits, to refine our skills, and to deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. They teach us resilience, perseverance, and humility, and they spark creativity, innovation, and new perspectives. Mistakes open the door to self-awareness and connection, and they help us build the emotional and mental strength needed to thrive in the face of life's challenges. When we view mistakes not as failures, but as opportunities, we unlock the true potential for growth in every aspect of our lives. In conclusion, mistakes are not the enemy. They are proof that we are stepping out of our comfort zones, taking risks, and pushing ourselves toward growth. They are not a sign of failure, but rather a reminder that we are trying, learning, and evolving. Each mistake we make is a step forward on our journey, a necessary part of the process that leads us to greater understanding, resilience, and success. So instead of fearing mistakes or trying to avoid them, we should embrace them. We should see them as opportunities to learn, to adapt, and to become better versions of ourselves. The more mistakes we make, the closer we get to discovering what we are truly capable of. And with each mistake, we build not only our skills and knowledge, but also our ability to persevere and grow in the face of life's challenges. Remember, perfection is not the goal, progress is. The next time you make a mistake, don't be discouraged. Instead, take it as proof that you are trying, that you are on the path to growth, and that you are moving forward, one step at a time. Keep going and never forget, mistakes are not setbacks. They are the stepping stones to success.